Welcome to Cars and Coding. Today we are replacing a lock actuator switch on a 2010 Audi A4. Driver's side rear door, fixing a very common problem where one of the doors does not open. This one opens, this one does not open. So you have to open it from the inside. We're going to replace the door actuator. This one I got from eBay. It's used. I got it for $39.50, and it's from a 2018 Audi Q3. As long as the part number is the same, it'll work. The part number on here is 8KO839015G. You can take the cables off and use the cables that are already in the door. Let's get started. The only way I can open it from the inside. So we got to take off this trim piece right here. It's the hardest part of the whole job right here. It really didn't want to come off, so I had to really pry on it really hard in order to get this off, but then it does come out this way. Then we got this part down here, also needs to come out. Now we can take the bolts out. 25, torque's 25. One way down here. So now we can just pry this off here. Let's use a pry tool. There you go. Just come right off. You can see this, you have to pull up this red clip right here. And you can take this off like that. Little speaker wire here, and then over here there's a hook. Just take the hook off. All right, now this is gone. There, let's take this cover off. Okay, this is a triple square, I'm not sure what size. Just get the variety pack. They got a little blue Loctite on there. See if we can get this guy out of here now. Looks like I may have to take this off. You can just wiggle it out. Looks like we just gotta push this up, get it up, out like that. This one, turn it this way, comes out, and there's a hook. Alright, so I don't need that. So take this one off, turn it this way. It should come out. Okay. Alright. This one in. that. There we go. So now I can put this guy on. Has to go on this way. There we go. There, now it's up there. Let's see if it works. Lock it. Locked. Unlock. Unlocks. Lock. Can't get it open. Unlock. Opens up. Alright, so that's fixed. Alright, when you're putting it back together, I just want to show you there's a little trick here. So this cable here that goes to the inside door handle, this little cylinder here, see this? This has to go into the door card. This is where it hooks into right here. So you have to push the white part in here. That little cylinder goes in here to hold it. All right, there you can see it. You put the hook in first and then you slide in the white part, okay? Put the hook in first and then slide in the white part. That's how you do it right here. Hook, then slide in the white part. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you want to see more Audi A4 B8 2008 to 2016 fix videos, just check out my videos here or the playlist here, or subscribe to my channel here, whichever box it is. Auf Wiedersehen.